Once we've created a table, we then may need to alter that table. For example, we may need to add on a brand new column. We may need to alter an existing column, or we may need to remove a column. And we can do that by utilizing alter table and then the name, and then specifying add for our new column, alter column to specify a change to a column, or finally drop to drop a column. Let's take a look at how we could perform each of those operations to our orders table. What I'm going to do is just kick back over to the Management Studio, give myself a little bit of white space here. Let's just say go and give ourselves a little bit of white space. And then it's going to be alter table orders. And let's say that I wanted to add on a brand new column called customer ID. I want to make that of type integer and mark that as not null. And sure enough, you're going to notice that if I execute that, everything completed successfully. And if I come back over here to the Object Explorer and click on columns and do a real quick refresh, you'll notice that sure enough, our customer ID is now listed there. If I decided that I wanted to modify the order date to include a date time, then I could say alter table orders, alter column order date, and then specify the new data type. So let's say date time, and we'll go with not null. And what I'm going to do is just highlight that, execute that, and you'll notice that if I come over here to the Object Explorer, what you're going to notice first of all on the order date is the fact that it is set to date. If I do my refresh, you're going to notice that now it's date time. And then finally, last but not least, now let's imagine that we wanted to remove the customer ID column. So what I'm going to do is just give myself a little bit of white space and then alter table orders, drop column customer ID. And if I highlight that and hit execute, you're going to notice, sure enough, command completed successfully. And if I come over here to the Object Explorer, you're going to notice, of course, the customer ID is still there. When I tell it to round trip back to the server, you're going to notice that, sure enough, that my customer ID is now gone. So in this lesson, we took a look at how we could create and modify our tables. And I'll see you in the next lesson.